Today, we are exploring Kappabashi Street, Tokyo's ultimate kitchenware wonderland. If you're into cooking, baking, or just love kitchen gadgets, Kappabashi Street is your dream destination. Kappabashi Street is also known as Kitchen Town because it's home to over 170 shops specializing in kitchenware, restaurant supplies, and food props. It is a treasure trove for chefs, home cooks, and food stylists alike. As you wander through the streets, you'll find everything from elegant Japanese knives to traditional teapots and sushi making tools. One of the highlights is the store that sells hyper-realistic plastic food displays. These fake foods are used in restaurant windows to attract customers and show off their dishes. They are so realistic that they often make you do a double take. If you're into cooking yourself, Kappabashi is a fantastic place to pick up high-quality utensils and gadgets. You'll find everything you need to elevate your kitchen game, from professional-grade knives to beautiful ceramic dishes. Tag us at Pocket Explorer to share your shopping spree in Kitchen Town. Au revoir and keep exploring!